Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change resolution in photopea. Let's begin. First of all, open your image. Then go to image tab. Find image size. Click image size and see this image size. Change width, height, pixels, percent, centimeters, millimeters, inches as you wish. Then see this resolution or DPI. Use 72 for OF and use 300 for print. Then click OK. Then go to File, Export as JPG. Wait some moment. Click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.